First step guys, i-divide natin yung shrimp just like that. Then kunin natin yung skin in between the head and the tail of the shrimp. And hiwain natin sa gitna just like this. In a pan guys, mag-boil tayo ng tubig with salt and oil para sa ating penne pasta. At ito na yung ingredients natin guys. So we have the shrimp, the mushroom, tapos yung penne pasta natin guys, tapos yung Nestle cream or any cream will do, and the black pepper, tapos yung garlic, salt at saka sausage. Gamit din tayo ng cheddar cheese or any cheese. And lastly, the milk guys. So I chose almond milk, but you can choose your own. So start tayo magluto guys in another pan. Lagay tayo ng butter. Hintayin natin na mag-melt. Tapos ilagay natin yung first yung shrimp natin. So that's it. And follow natin yung garlic. Okay. Disatay lang natin guys, no? Hanggang mag-change ng orange color yung shrimp. So follow natin yung mushroom. Parang medyo luto na yung shrimp at saka mushroom natin guys. So i-next natin yung sausage. Mix lang natin. So pagkatapos na ma-mix natin yung meat, follow natin yung Nestle cream at saka yung milk. And i-season natin with salt and black pepper. And once na mix na natin guys, i-follow natin yung shredded cheddar cheese natin para medyo cheesy yung recipe natin. On the other pan, nagboil na yung water natin. It's time to put the penne pasta guys, and then lutuin lang natin siya. I-follow natin yung instruction sa box. And almost done na yung sauce natin guys. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng dried parsley. And we have a visitor guys. Shout out baby Maria. Gusto niya mag-chef daw paglaki niya. Wow, super cute baby Maria. Wow, look at that guys. Almost malapit na to guys. And pahinaan lang natin yung heat para hindi siya masunog. Grabe, super creamy and cheesy guys. And parang luto na yung pasta natin guys. So wag nating patagalin. It's time for plating. And dahan-dahan nating ilagay yung sauce natin guys, and then be generous kasi tayo lang din naman yung kakain. Actually, pwede na itong kainin guys, but for video purposes, i-garnish muna natin ng dried parsley at saka shredded cheddar cheese. Oh wow, kalami na guys. pagkawaw na lang jud guys. Oh, grabe yung cheese oh. Tapos creamy pa jud kayo. Tagak-tagak ang cream guys oh. Kalami ba ni? And these are for our friends, but if you would like to order guys, please comment down below and support our YouTube channel JBG Food Travel TV, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell to get notified for our next video. Bye bye.